Hello, my name is Kamil, I'm Senior Workplace Architect, and today I will like to show you how GenAI impacts employee experience. So as you know, we are living in very interesting and challenging time when AI is shaping our future. The future that we predicted will be available in 10, 15 years, but it is available right now, right here. We see a great combination of what is the best when it comes to us people, our skills, our experience, our knowledge, supported by GenAI. We can act as one to achieve amazing things. So as you probably know right now, GenAI is impacting mainly productivity through services like Copilot or virtual agents. But this is just the beginning, because tomorrow GenAI will be incorporated in all business processes and will impact our experience as employee, as candidate, as new joiner, as well as customers. But this is not the all, because in the very near future, in terms of months, quarters, rather than years, GenAI will reshape all business models and structures that we know. We'll create the new one that we cannot predict right now, and also define the jobs and skills that are critical for it. So as you know, right now, when it comes to productivity benefits of GenAI, 70% of users that used Copilot or similar tools reported a significant boost when it comes to the productivity. When it comes to skills leveling, even we as Capgemini identified after our internal pilot for Copilot for Microsoft 365 that our employee can operate faster as more experienced and more senior people. But this is not the all, because thanks to GenAI, we can generate additional business impact through the new products, but also through optimization and savings. And our role as a Capgemini is to support our customers in preparation for it, and also support them to exploit this opportunity fully. So what, as Capgemini, we propose to our customers? We can deliver hyper-personalized services through copilots that can communicate in more natural way and also do much more on behalf of the user. When it comes to productivity boost, we can support our customers in delivering adoption campaign, defining the whole governance around GenAI, as well as deploying the custom copilots for them. And when it comes to the service management, we can support our customers in optimization and savings. So today, during this very short demo, I would like to present you from perspective of Joanna, our knowledge worker. She's a new joiner in organization. She works in the hybrid mode, 50% from home, 50% from office, and Mark, who is a support agent. And during this demo, I will present you how GenAI can define the new omni-channel experience for end user, how can empower support agent in deliver even more personalized and AI-powered support, and thanks to integration of two major platforms, Microsoft 365 and ServiceNow, how this can unlock the new level of productivity. So what you can see on the screen, this is ServiceNow portal that provides seamless access for all major IT and HR services. It also supported Joanna during the onboarding process for tracking her progress. Recently, Joanna noticed that something wrong with her payroll is lower than expected, so she can easily open Now Support virtual assistant that is embedded in ServiceNow portal and start conversation. She can describe her issue in more natural way, and thanks to GenAI implemented in the backend, Now Support can identify which processes should be started based on the context of the issue that she described. Now Support is asking Joanna to provide more details about her problem, but as this is related to very sensitive data, she would like to invite and contact live agent to support her for resolving the issue. This is the view from support agent perspective. So Mark can easily join the chat. And first thing that you may notice is chat summarization prepared by Now Assist. This is GenAI feature. So he can jump into the conversation, starts asking follow-up question. He doesn't need to scroll up to find the information. He doesn't need to repeat the same question, ask about the same things, but he can continue discussion with Joanna. And this is beneficial not only for him, as he can save his time, but also impacts positively satisfaction of Joanna. And once all the details are collected through the chat, he can open the ticket on behalf of Joanna. And as you may notice, all required fields are collected and generated by GenAI. So the room for human mistakes are reduced to zero. And once all the actions were taken to resolve the issue, he can use another GenAI supported feature to summarize the whole incident. Right now, we need to remember about 80% to 20% rule. So 80% is for GenAI to generate and edit the content, but 20% is for us to confirm that all the data are valid. Right now, the resolution for the incident were also auto-generated by AI. So right now he can add these notes to the incident. Our colleagues from the ServiceNow are also rolling out the new feature that will allow Mark to auto-generate the knowledge base article based on the action that he took to resolve the issue. After a few days later, Joanna had a very bad day. There was an incident with the coffee, and she needs to order a new laptop for the replacement. She can use mobile phone to do it with pre-installed Now Support Assistant. And as previously, she can describe the issue in more natural way, and virtual assistant will understand it from the context of the issue and triggers the proper processes in the backend. And as you will notice, she will be asked about the options, how she would like to pick up the device. There will be three possible options. The first one is to pick up from the tech bar. This is our product that we are offering to our customer. The second option is IT vending machine that can be easily deployed on remote offices without on-site support, or we can deliver it to selected address through direct ship. That is also our product. Now Support recognized that she is a remote employee, so provided her three nearest tech bars, and she selected one of them, and thanks to integration between Microsoft 365 and ServiceNow, she can schedule an appointment in the tech bar, and at the same time, the new entry in her calendar will be created, so she will not miss the appointment. But this is not all, because I also mentioned about the integration of two critical services like Microsoft 365 and ServiceNow. So we as a Capgemini deployed a new plugin embedded in Copilot for Microsoft 365 that allows Copilot for Microsoft 365 to connect to ServiceNow portal to search for the information. So now I would like to present you a very short use case from end user perspective. So I would like to check what is the status of my incident. So I can use Copilot to check the status. And as you will notice, right now, Copilot is contacting ServiceNow portal to retrieve information about the incident that I described in the prompt. And what is very important, there is always a reference link to ServiceNow portal, so I can click on it and then I will be redirected to ServiceNow portal to check the details. But this is not the all. I can ask Copilot for some follow-up question about this incident, for description of the issue, or I can ask when it was updated and what actions were taken to resolve the issue. But this is only from end user perspective, but how it looks like from support agent perspective. So let me open the new chat. And please imagine that I am the new technician or new engineer on the tech bar. This is my first day. All my colleagues are busy and I need to support one of employee because Outlook is not responding. And unfortunately, I don't know where to find the data, but Copilot for Microsoft 365 was deployed for me, so I can open it, I can describe the issue, and right now, as previously, Copilot for Microsoft 365 will contact ServiceNow, go through the all knowledge base articles to provide me the steps that I need to follow as SME to resolve the issue. It will not provide me the whole 5 pages long knowledge base article, but provide me the list of steps that I need to follow to resolve the issue. And as previously, I can ask some follow-up questions if I don't know how to operate or run, for example, application in the safe mode or disable some add-ins. So right now, when it comes to benefits of GenAI, we see the big improvement on employee level when it comes to engagement and satisfaction. We see the big value when it comes to productivity and creativity. And also, last but not least, thanks to implementing GenAI in our workplace, we can attract the top talents by providing them the latest and the greatest technology. Thank you.